All right, everybody, it is May the 9th, 2023. It is 5:01 p.m. right now. And we're going to get started with seeing what comes available this evening. So I'm going to head down to the Sprouts as usual and see if I can get a good batch. I'll be back. Okay, I'm over here at the Sprouts in Seal Beach. It is 5:11 right now. Let's see how long it takes to get a batch, a good batch anyways. All right. All right, I'm over here at the Ralph's on 4th Street. Nothing's coming up. It's 6:24 right now. Looks like it's going to be a slow night, so we'll see what happens. I'll let you know when a batch comes up. Okay, I've been here at the Ralph's for 15 minutes. It's time to go. All right, a batch just came up for $21.78. 3 deliveries, 34 items. No, thank you. No, thank you. We will wait all night if we have to for a good batch. Another one just came up for $12.14. 10 items. $4 tip. No, thank you. It's 1.5 miles. Still not interested in doing anything under a certain amount, so I'm still going to wait. All right, guys, the waiting pays off. I just got a $46 batch, 28 items in downtown Long Beach at the Vons. So let's go ahead and get down there. Okay, I just got here at the Vons in downtown Long Beach. It is 6:59 right now. So let me go ahead and start the batch, and let's get to shopping. Okay, the batch has been shopped. It took me 45 minutes. That's with the grocery checkout as well. So the delivery is less than a mile away. Let's get this delivered. Okay, I'm here at the delivery address. I've already confirmed arrival, so customer should be coming out any minute now. Okay, the order is delivered. It's 7:53. I'm at 48.44. Very good batch. Let's see. The tip was 37.23. So let's go ahead and try to find another batch, another good batch. All right, I'm back here at the Ralph's on 4th Street in Long Beach. I'm gonna wait here for 10 minutes. If something doesn't come up, I'm gonna get on the road. So I'll let you know if something comes up. All right, guys, I just took a batch at Walmart for $25 and some change. And it's a 1 mile delivery with 40 items. So let's get down there. Okay, I am here at the Walmart on South Street in Long Beach. So let's go and get this batch started here. All right, it is 8:33. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, the batch is shopped. It's 9:09. So let's go and get this one started. Okay, I'm here at the delivery address. It is 9:14 right now. Let's get these groceries delivered. Okay, the batch is delivered. It's 9:19 right now, and I'm at 79.33, plus she gave me a $10 tip. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm out of breath. I'm at $200.29. So I'm averaging $100 a day. All right, over and out.